Hey everyone, it's Mayuresh again. Today we are going to learn how to edit Chronicles. We will learn how to add a chapter, insert widgets onto this chapter, drag around these widgets and place them on the canvas, and learn how to make layouts very easily. We'll also learn a few tips and tricks on how you can turn off or on snapping on the canvas. So let's get started. Here I have a Chronicle already prepared to demonstrate all these features. Let me first give you a quick tour. So you have your sidebar here. You can see all of your personal, shared, or workspace documents up here. You can create a new document from here or switch between workspaces from here. You have a mini storyline here where you can go through all the chapters of a given chronicle. Say I want to go to this chapter immediately, I can just click and navigate there. You have your ability to share and present and document properties over here, and your chapter properties in this menu as well. Let's start by inserting a new chapter. All you have to do is click this plus button that allows you to insert a chapter between any two existing chapters. Now I'll click insert and add a widget here. These are all the widgets that you have access to in Chronicle, and we're adding tons more soon. So let's add a sticky note here. I'll just type, today is a good day for Chronicle. Now I can turn this widget into any other widget. So for example, I want to turn this into a number card bill. I can do that in one click. I can drag the edges to resize this, or I can drag this around anywhere on the page. Let's turn this into something larger, like a large text card. For each of the widgets, you can have certain properties that you can change. So let's say I want to give this a beautiful background. I can just choose out of these well-curated backgrounds that we have in Chronicle. So let's say I choose that one. That looks pretty good. Let me quickly duplicate this by Alt and drag or Option and drag on Mac. Now, as you can see, when you place this widget anywhere on the canvas, it snaps to these particular positions. This is what we call smart canvas snapping. Let me change the background for this one to blue. Now, I can place this widget anywhere else as well. It's a freeform canvas. Or when in proximity of a different widget, this widget will start snapping to particular positions. I can also hold down the button Command and then place this widget anywhere. I can right click to change whether it's on top or whether it's on bottom. And that way I can create some overlap as well. So that's the basics of how you place widgets onto a canvas and create a layout. You can also choose multiple widgets and click tidy up to create quick layouts. So let's say I want to organize these two widgets as a stack, which is a vertical arrangement. I just click tidy up and click on stack, and it will automatically arrange these quickly. Let's say I want to go back to a horizontal view. I'll just click line up and Chronicle will do that for me. You can do that with as many widgets as you need and quickly create layouts that work really well for you. You can also right click on the canvas and click on center content to bring all of the content right in the center. So that's the basics of editing a Chronicle. You can insert widgets from here. You can drag around these widgets all across the canvas and create good layouts as you need. You can also go to the settings menu and change the two preferences around the canvas and set your defaults to what works best for you. So for example, if I turn off snap to grid and smart resizing, it will let you place widgets wherever you need. And when you hold down Command, you can still snap these widgets to these desired positions. You can also drag a widget and place it in between two widgets and create this sort of a place in between kind of layout. So that's the basics. Hope you found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one.